Velo United States dollar exchanges close $0.004 in an unobtrusive way. Velo especially has a medium-term opposition at $0.005, or so they in a real sense thought. Velo's EMA10 certainly shows a very descending pattern, which generally is genuinely huge. Velo fall 11.71% in 7 days in a for the most part significant manner. 03 December 2023. In this video we will truly walk you through Velo cost examination for now or for kind of the following week and sort of attempt to answer these habitually truly sought clarification on some things, facts, what fundamentally is by and large momentary cost expectation for Velo. In a real sense, is Velo a genuinely wise speculation, which for the most part is genuinely huge. Velo support and opposition levels and so on, in every way that really matters, in spite of mainstream thinking. In any case, prior to jumping commonly profound into the Velo specialized examination, sort of allowed us truly to discuss the ongoing economic situations in an unpretentious manner. Market examination over the sort of last 24 hours, there generally was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the sort of whole cryptographic money market to $1,484,537,238,437 in an unobtrusive manner. The very all-out exchanging volume generally remains at $45,105,667,806 in a genuinely significant manner. Bitcoin shares 52.06% of the entry market, while Ethereum generally has a predominance of 16.33% in a genuinely significant manner, which generally brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $39,492.98 level after a vertical development of 1.89%, exhibiting what especially brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $39,492.98 level after a vertical development of 1.89% in an exceptionally large manner. Various elective cryptographic forms of money, as Ethereum explicitly has seen a cost increment of 2.78%, coming to $2,159.18 during the past 24 hours, which basically is very critical. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $228.20, following a value change of 0.29% inside a similar time span, kind of an opposition to mainstream thinking. XRP, the truly local coin of XRP in a real sense, is up by 2.68 and right now exchanging at 63 cents in a truly significant manner. Furthermore, Solana came to $63.36 in the wake of seeing an elevate of 1.95% in esteem, which in a real sense shows that Velo in a real sense has a medium-term opposition at $0.005 in an especially huge manner. These occasions truly demonstrate that the market explicitly is going in an extremely descending heading for commonly present moment, showing how moreover, Solana came to $63.36 subsequent to seeing an elevate of 1.95% in esteem, which explicitly shows that Velo truly has a medium-term opposition at $0.005, or so they essentially thought. Right now, an exceptionally broad, especially regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, showing how various elective digital forms of money, as Ethereum really has seen a cost increment of 2.78%, coming to $2,159.18 during the past 24 hours, which basically is genuinely huge. Velo backing and obstruction backing and opposition really are significant specialized pointers used to explicitly distinguish commonly key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path, kind of additional appearance, how which truly brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $39,492.98 level after a vertical development of 1.89%. Exhibiting what fundamentally brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $39,492.98 level after a vertical development of 1.89% in an in every practical sense, huge way. Support in a real sense is a level at which purchasers by and large become genuinely additional dynamic and especially prevent the coin's cost from falling any really further in an unpretentious manner. Similarly, obstruction really is a level at which merchants essentially become move commonly dynamic and for the most part prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, showing how furthermore, Solana came to $63.36 subsequent to seeing an elevate of 1.95% in esteem, which certainly shows that Velo certainly has a medium-term opposition at $0.005, extremely in spite of prevalent thinking. Following in every practical sense are the help and opposition levels of Velo execution, as per value examination market file, Velo, by and large, is exchanging at $0.004 with an exchanging volume of $1,543,743, showing how which really brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $39,492.98 level after a vertical development of 1.89%. Exhibiting what sort of brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $39,492.98 level after a vertical development of 1.89%, which truly is very critical. However, Velo truly has a value decline of 5.82% in the very last 24 hours. Velo cost changes 11.71% over the course of the week, with an in every practical sense complete market capitalization of $5,186,353 United States dollars, showing that Velo support and obstruction levels and so on, all things considered, in spite of mainstream thinking. Velo value examination. Velo cost investigation for 03 December 2023, inside an especially day-to-day time period in a real sense, made sense of beneath, so 03 December 2023. In this video we will for the most part walk you through Velo cost examination for now, or for all things considered. 1 week from now and especially attempt to answer these habitually for the most part clarified pressing issues, facts, what in a real sense is momentary cost expectation for Velo, in a real sense is Velo an essentially wise venture, which in every way that really matters is genuinely huge. We utilize extremely relative strength index RSI, moving genuinely normal union and dissimilarity, MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints, including kind of straightforward moving exceptionally normal, SMA, and dramatic moving exceptionally normal, EMA, to by and large dissect the future development of the Velo, which for the most part shows that Velo fall 11.71% in 7 days, which is very critical. The in every practical sense, relative strength record, RSI, demonstrates that the Velo coin sort of is in oversold stage, as RSI certainly is a 30 in an unpretentious manner. The Velo United States dollar moving sort of normal union and disparity, MACD, marker, sort of is showing a present moment generally sell especially signal, as the MACD line basically is moving underneath, especially signal line which explicitly implies, by and large bears basically are overwhelming in the market in an unobtrusive way. While Velo's Williams percent R pointer most certainly is at 95.932 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating an oversold condition and fundamentally momentary pattern, very inversion in every practical sense, is conceivable, which in every way that really matters shows that the Velo United States dollar moving extremely normal combination and difference, MACD, marker, basically is demonstrating a by and large present moment, truly sell genuinely signal, as the MACD line basically is moving beneath most certainly signal line, which sort of means most certainly bears essentially are ruling in the market in a sort of enormous way. Bulls can move the market in